Hey loves, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine, and it's something that I'm very passionate about. So I'm going to share with you guys what products to use in what order. I get a lot of questions whether you should use like a toner first or a moisturizer or a serum. So I will get into details about that. I do have a combination of dry and oily skin. I have a very oily T-zone, and then I have really dry skin around my nose and around my mouth, which has actually caused some dark pigmentation due to it being so dry that once it heals from being so dry, it starts to get darker, like especially, I don't know if you can see around my mouth and my nose. So I am super passionate about skincare because I know that my skin is very sensitive and I have to balance out both dry and oily skin. So I'm going to share with you guys step by step of what I do, and today's video is sponsored by PND, and I'll show you guys a product that I have been loving and I'm so excited to use because now that I don't get facials anymore because I do everything at home and I don't want to go to the salon or I don't want to go to a spa to get facials done, it's something that I could do at home. I just got out of the shower, as you can tell, so I am just going to put my hair up so that way it's out of the way. Before I begin washing my face and using all these products that are going to benefit my skin, I want to make sure that I exfoliate at least once a week. And I've been using this right here, which I am so excited to share with you guys. I've seen this like all over TikTok and like the results of people who have used it, and I was very impressed and amazed. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. So I've been using this for about a month now. I use it once a week to exfoliate my skin, and I have seen a huge difference in the way that my products are on my face and the way that they work, because since I remove that layer of dead skin cells with this right here, it allows those products to like penetrate deeper into your skin and work better. On my phone here, I have a list of all the benefits of using this. The exfoliation paired up with the vacuum suction technology increases the circulation and triggers the production of collagen and elastin that leaves your skin more firm and more toned. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, blemishes, and enlarged pores. My favorite part is that it boosts collagen and elastin production, and I have noticed that it does leave my skin softer and smoother after the first use. This at first sounded scary to me, but it does come with a training disc, and then it comes with different discs depending on the level of suction and exfoliation that you want towards your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you use a white disc. If you have tougher skin, or after a while you notice that you can increase the exfoliation type, then there are different discs that come with it. So it's pretty awesome, and I also like that it has a bigger disc on front that you can switch out if you want to do the rest of your body. So I've actually used this on my feet because I have callus on my feet and they're just really rough. So because I don't go to the salon anymore to get a pedicure, I do everything at home, and I've even used it on my feet and I've noticed a big difference. There are two different speeds with the Pro, so I leave it on the most gentle speed, which is the first speed, and then there's a more advanced speed. It's super simple to use and it's really fast. So all you have to do is make sure that because there is a suction on here that you're constantly leaving it on your skin, but you're moving up. So you're creating pretty much lines, and you always want to move upwards as you're doing it. So that way it works against the gravity and it does a really good job of like suctioning your skin and removing everything. The best and most satisfying part is when you get to your nose, because if you're like me and have a lot of blackheads, like they all come out and your nose just looks so much better. I had really large pores on my nose, and I would constantly have to do like the strips in order to remove all of those blackheads. And now if I don't want to do my entire face, like I'll just do my nose, and it works so good, and it's so satisfying to see everything on there, like all the gunk. Like I don't know, I really enjoy using this product. It's very satisfying. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it. I have no product on my face. I just took a shower, so I just went ahead and used like the soap that I used for my body, but when I came out of the shower, I didn't add anything else on there. So what I would recommend to do is, if you have makeup on, just remove it with like your regular cleanser. But then afterwards, we're going to use like the cleanser and toner and all that stuff. So that way the products penetrate deeper into your skin after you exfoliate. Okay, so let me talk to you guys about the order that you should be using product, and it's important for you to use them in this order so that way you can get the most benefit out of each one of your products. So there might be different reasons why you need specific ones. It all depends on your skin type. I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about why I chose the ones that I did. So let's begin with a cleanser. So as I have mentioned, I use the Personal Microderm from PMD once a week or once every 2 weeks. Just depends on how my skin is and how busy my schedule is. But on a daily basis, I start off with a cleanser, and I use either a very like soft cleanser if I don't have any makeup on, just something that's going to take off, you know, just the daily grime and dirt off my face, but something that's a little bit more gentle on my face. I'll use this one. If I want to take off makeup and I need something a little bit more hardcore, then I will use this one right here. And it's really nice because it helps really pick up all of that makeup that's on my face. So sometimes I'll go for like oil-based cleansers, so that way the oil helps dissolve the makeup that I have on my face. So it just depends. And the entire time I'm just using my hands, my fingers. I don't use cloth, I don't use any pads, any cotton pads or anything like that, because I feel like it's a waste of product. Like the pad is going to absorb the majority of it, so I do like to use my hands. Afterwards, I will follow up with a toner. There are so many different kinds of toners. There's like alcohol-free based ones. There are some that are really gentle, that are more moisturizing. Like I said, it just depends on your skin type. I need something that is going to bring back some moisture into my face, that's really light, and help with the balance of my skin because it gets really dry during the winter time, like around my nose and even like on my oily T-zone. So I like to use this toner right here, and it just helps like bring back all those nutrients that I washed away with the cleanser, like all the good ones that got washed out. Since toners are usually more water-based and they penetrate a lot faster into your skin, then I will go ahead and let that dry, and I will follow up with a serum. I love serums. I use all different kinds, just like I said, depending on the season, depending on my mood. But one that I really liked is by PMD, and it is the Renew Hydropeptide Serum. And I really, really love the way that it feels. It's very lightweight and it absorbs quickly into your skin. And then I like to finish off with a moisturizer. And this is the one that I've been using. I just add a little bit on my fingertips because the serum is a layer that you're adding on, and then that takes a little bit longer to dry. So before I add on moisturizer, I will go ahead and brush my teeth or something, so that way it allows the serum to like penetrate into my skin, and then I'll go in with the moisturizer. Because if I had too many products on, my skin gets really irritated and I start breaking out in little hives, which is crazy. So that's why I have to take it slow. If you have sensitive skin like I do, you probably cannot use a lot of products. So that is something that I do recommend, is just wait for each product to do its thing. You just have to be a little bit patient, and then you can add on the next one. And they're all going to benefit your skin in different ways. So it just depends. One product can't have it all. I wish it would be that simple and easy, but that's why I feel like I'm so passionate about skincare, because just depending on what you need that week or with that day, if you're stressed out or if it's dry or if it's dull or if it's oily, like just depending on that day, is if you're using a different product, it can just help balance out your skin. I love skincare. I have so many products that I love, all like organized in my closet, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. But I love skincare so much, and I feel like it does wonders for your skin. Please let me know in the comments down below what your skin type is and what is one product that you absolutely love. That way we can help each other with recommendations, because I feel like I get a lot of questions about the products that I use, but it just depends on your skin type. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have a link down below where you guys can find the Personal Microderm from PMD, and if you use my coupon code Belinda20, you can get 20% off their entire website. So they have so many amazing products on there. Highly recommend for you to check it out. They have anything from like cleansers and serums and like all different kinds of cool things. And something else that I picked up were these masks. They are the Recovery Anti-Aging Collagen Sheet Masks, and I've noticed that these pair up really, really nicely with the Personal Microderm. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah. Was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling